welcome to this Stock in Focus update with WCM Investment Management. Today I'm talking with Brian Huerta from WCM. How are you, Brian?
Doing well, Tom. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Today we're talking about a company called First Republic Bank. Can you give us an overview of that company, please, Brian?
Sure, I'm happy to. First Republic Bank is one of the leading private banks in North America. They're focused on the high net worth and ultra high net worth consumer, which is growing the fastest and is among the lowest penetrated segment of the market. They're on the coast in the most affluent areas in Boston, New York, Florida, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. And they're really well known, and what they have a reputation for is providing high touch customer service.
And what kind of culture do you need to thrive in that space?
Well, there's a couple of things that I think that signify their culture, demonstrate the strength of their culture. Is one, it's a very teams-based approach, which makes perfect sense. A lot of their business is built on referrals. This is a group of consumers in their target market that is very upwardly mobile. Their financials often change. They're highly educated. They tend to buy a home and then maybe a second home. So referrals become a big part of the organization, and that is encouraged. One thing that is discouraged and is really emblematic of the culture at First Republic is taking on risky loans. And so they have clawbacks that they put on their loan officers that if they do write lower quality loans that go into default or become non-performing, there's a clawback provision. So that disincentivizes certain behaviors. So the culture at First Republic is very focused on customer service and growing responsibly, not damaging the balance sheet, and focusing on a segment of the market that they believe is the most lucrative.
I'm sure it is a competitive space, though. What are some of their competitive advantages?
Yeah, well, among many is just this customer centricity, this focus around customer service, high touch customer service. You'll be greeted by someone in a bank when you go into a bank. There's a relationship that starts, and they really want to go after the younger professional because they really view that as a lifetime relationship. So what sets them apart really is this relationship building that they have with their consumers. That enables them to take advantage of the growth in their consumers as they mature, grow older, and also need more financial services over time.
Brian, thanks for your time.
Thanks, Tom.